Hey, this is Leif. This is my bike check. Got new frame. It's the Kink Daryl Toko. It's pretty sweet. And I got Kink Link handlebars. They're really light and I like them a lot. I got Nathan Williams grips. Very soft, and I got the buttons that came with them. Shadow Strike front load stem. And animal headset. And then go down. Got Odyssey director forks. The dropouts go like straight to where the wheels should be instead of having them like stick out.
Like a penis.
Yeah, so it makes the dropout stronger. Animal butcher peg with a plastic sleeve. And then profile mini front hub with alienation runaway rim. It's new. Maxxis Grifter tire. It's really light and strong. Grips good. And then United seat post and premium seat. I like having the seat post now. It's a lot easier to bar spin than like flip it around here. Got Shadow Torque V2 cranks and premium slim pedals. I just put those on because I had JCPCs and they're too grippy, but Madeira helm spline drive sprocket and KMC drop buster chain. And if you go back, I got profile mini back hub, and he's gonna make the sound of it. It's really loud, sweet, and Primo Balance 7000 series rim, and Maxxis Grifter tire, and then I got Shadow little one peg with the slicker sleeve on it, and that's my bike. How much does it weigh? It weighs like 21.5 pounds. So thanks for watching.